Hello, my name is Michael Hinefa, co-founder of Lead Africa International and an empowerment specialist. We've been doing a series of podcasts on how to effectively set your 2023 goals. And today, every year we run public seminars, we talk at different places, and people are like, it's easier said than done. It's very difficult for us to be able to follow through on our commitments and, make sure that we are sticking to our goals. But there's a very small proven system that you can use to ensure that you are continuing to keep your eye on the prize and on the ball, and that you are continuing to achieve your 2023 goals. It's a very simple process. So you have set your goals, you have used the 4-part system that we shared in the last podcast to set your goals. Now, how do you ensure that you are keeping on track? How do you ensure that you don't lose steam by February? Now, as you all know, we all use phones, or most of us have smartphones, phones. Now, when we use the phone, over time, the energy goes down, or the energy is drained by our usage. And so over time, we charge our phones and give it new energy. It's the same thing I'm asking you to do with this system, that you need to consistently give yourself new energy. Otherwise, you run out, you dry out, you'll be stressed, and you leave your goals unattended to. And when that happens, you know that you'll not be fulfilled and happy by 31st December 2023. And so what is this system? Number one, do what Michael Hyatt calls the quarterly big three. So every quarter, the year is divided into 4 quarters. That is 3 months form a quarter. And so decide what your big 3 priorities for every 3 months is. Just 3. Every 3 months of 2023, what do you want to achieve? So you see, when you set a goal like, I want to build my own house in 2023. I want to get married in 2023. I want to set up my business in 2023. They look big. And so break it down. Every 3 months, what do you want to do? So you want to establish your own business. In the first 3 months of 2023, you want to actually go to the Registrar General's department and register that business. That's a big 3 that you want to achieve. So quarterly big 3. Every quarter, every 3 months. What are the 3 things that should receive your attention, that should receive your resources, that should receive your efforts, and should be your priority for the 3 months? So quarterly big 3. Then you come to weekly big 3. Now every week, what are the 3 things that you want to achieve? Every week, Sunday to Saturday night, what are the 3 top things you want to achieve for that week? Now, don't start a week in 2023 without agreeing your weekly big 3, without agreeing the 3 priorities that you want to focus on for the week. And then finally, you come to your daily big 3. The daily big 3 is, before you get out of your bedroom every day, decide on the 3 top things you want to achieve for the day. Because you see, the pressures of life and the way everybody else is pulling us means that if you don't take time, you will not have time to focus on your own goals and priorities. And so every day, 3 things that you want to focus on, 3 things that you must achieve by all means before you sleep. Every week, 3 things that you want to focus on, 3 things that you must achieve by the end of the week. And then every quarter, 3 things that you want to achieve by the end of the 3 months. Now, my friend, you see that if you break down your action plan into these manageable small proportions, they become very easy for you to achieve. And the more you keep winning every day, you keep winning every week, you keep winning every quarter, the more you are on sure to make 2023 the most fulfilled, the most successful year of your life. If you feel blessed by these podcasts, then I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Even tell your enemies so that they'll behave better next time.